298 Playa del Sur is one of those truly special properties that puts you in the most recently completed construction of the Beach Barber Tract and just steps to the sand of Windansea Beach. It's a great neighborhood feel. You have local taverns, you have a marketplace, local coffee roasters, and you meet your neighbors by being out and about. This area has been recognized as one of the destinations that people coming to La Jolla want to stay in. What's really special about this property is the floor plan. It's great for entertaining, it's great for having a guest. All of your living, dining, entertaining space is on the main floor with ocean views out the Playa del Norte side and the Playa del Sur side. And off of that floor, you extend up to the rooftop deck, which has panoramic ocean views. So it's really a great spot for morning coffee and a glass of wine at sunset. To be in this neighborhood really allows you to have the roots of La Jolla, but to be in new construction and to have one of the highest elevations within the Beach Barber Tract. It just captures it all. I mean, to be able to retreat to a home with new amenities, timeless style, and to be in such a peerless location is magnificent.